is a long coil containing a large number of closed turn insulated copper wire. Must feel, I will give you this also. Must feel. You should थोड़ा सा do experiment for that. To feel real में you have to do थोड़ा सा experiment. I don't know how many parents will allow, but you can visit a nearby garage. You can visit a nearby garage and you can see. You will get a good feel of it. I'll also try from my end if I can arrange a visit for you or get the instrument here, but difficult to get here. But we have to give you feel real में open करके आइस के साथ दिखाने कि देखो ये है वो कॉइल आर्मेचर, ये है वो कार्बन ब्रश, ऐसा फील आएगा देख. Okay, see here. A solenoid is a long coil containing a large number of closed turns. Long coil है, but circular closed turns है, containing a large number of closed turns insulated copper wire. This. Dot. Okay, we'll take a wire like this, and we'll give battery later. This is called solenoid. क्या sir? Sir, cylindrical coil, a long cylindrical coil, correct? This is cylindrical, no? A long cylindrical coil having many turns. A long shape of cylindrical shape coils having many turns. This is called solenoid. बोल solenoid बोले तो क्या clear है? हाँ, कुछ नहीं रे, बहुत सारे many coils guntala like this, गोल guntala like this is called a solenoid. Okay, local language I am using. English language is in front of you. Is this clear? This is called solenoid. Yes, no. Okay. Now see here what is happening. Now what is happening? I am connecting a battery. Must feel आएगा. See. Leave everything and see. Again, typical 1 mark question. Leave everything and listen to my words. Current is flowing like this. Like this. Plus, minus. Like this. ये नीचे आया ऐसे. ये इधर गया. फिर ये इधर गया. Like this. इधर. फिर ये इधर गया. फिर something like this. ये इधर. Like this. Finally coming here, like this, and something like this. Okay, great. I hope till here it was clear. This is solenoid, and this is the current flowing. What they are asked: how are magnetic field lines? In solenoid? This is what they will ask you. How are magnetic field lines in solenoid? This is what they will ask you. Now you first tell me. You tell me must you tell me. Common sense डालना. Leave everything. I will take one coil. Just leave everything and listen. Current is coming like this. I will take only one turn. One coil मतलब one turn. Like this. Okay, see, so something like this, not exactly, but कुछ ऐसा, but it will come spiral. It is not helical spiral, थोड़ा सा helix. Helix is something like this. This is called helical. थोड़ा सा helical spiral shape. You understood or not? Helix springs and all, I don't know. You have to read a lot, observe a lot and all that. Anyways. So something like, now you tell if current is coming from here, it is going, suppose it is going out, coming out like this. Current is going like this. So if you see from my side, this is coil, I am here, I am seeing the coil, current is coming towards me. Use right hand. Current is coming towards me. So current will come towards me like this or anyway. Like this. So it is coming towards me like this. So current is coming here. Current is coming towards me, no? So you can see like that. So from here, from my side, if you see, is current clockwise or anti-clockwise? From my side, if you see, is current clockwise or anti-clockwise? What can you see from my side? Current is clockwise or anti-clockwise? Tell me. From my side if you see. See, अलग अलग आंसर आ रहा है, आधा कुछ और बोल रहा है, आधा कुछ और बोल रहा है. फ्रॉम माई साइड यू सी दिस साइड. अरे ऐसा लेना, तू भी सामने बैठा है, तू भी मोबाइल में बैठा है, मैं तेरे को इधर दिख रहा हूं. हाँ ओके, तू भी मोबाइल में बैठ रहा है, मैं तेरे को इधर. सी बॉस, सी करंट इज कमिंग हियर. हाँ, सो इट इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज और क्लॉकवाइज? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज बच्चा. हाउ इट इज क्लॉकवाइज? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, नॉट क्लॉकवाइज, इट इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. क्लॉक ऐसे नहीं घूम, हाँ सी क्लॉक ऐसे थोड़ी जो घूमता है, क्लॉक ऐसे घूमता है. एंटी क्लॉक है ये, एंटी क्लॉक है. सी द फिंगर. हाँ, सो हाउ इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन? फॉरगेट अबाउट द करंट नाउ. हाउ इज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन? आर यू फीलिंग द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन टू बी a straight line? Are you finding the magnetic field line to be a straight line? See no? See no? Coil is like this. In the diagram it look, oh whatever, in the diagram it might look clockwise, that is okay, because वो थोड़ा सा 3D diagram है. In the diagram it might look. Now I will give you feel slowly. Leave everything. So magnetic field will be like this. Okay. So one more coil as CC. See here. Leave everything. I will go to very minute level. Very minute level. If there is one coil, if there is only one coil like this, if there is only one coil like this, the magnetic field line will be like this. Do you agree? Circular coil को ऐसा ही था ना? Do you agree? If there was only one coil, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन वुड बी लाइक दिस. डू यू एग्री? अगर एक ही कॉइल होता तो, करेक्ट, एक ही कॉइल होता तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन वुड बी समथिंग लाइक दिस. बट दिस इज नॉट अलोन. दिस इज नॉट अलोन. वंस दिस इज डन, सी आई एम, ट्रस्ट मी, वेरेवर यू मस्ट बी स्टडिंग, इतने डीप में नहीं सिखाएंगे. आई स्वेयर, आई एम रेडी टू चैलेंज ऑन दैट. I'm damn ready to challenge anybody here. Please, मैं इतना डीप में फील लेके नहीं देगा कि why it is like this. I'll tell you slowly once again. If you take a single coil, you will find something like this. But I am taking one coil, so by the time it is about to bend, another coil starts. This magnetic field. By the time the magnetic field is about to bend, another coil starts. तो it will become a bit straight now. देखना slowly ना, slowly. पहले एक आया तो ऐसा था ना, one more has come तो और इधर आएगा, करेक्ट है ना, और इधर आएगा. सो one more has come तो और ऐसा आएगा, one more has come तो और ऐसा आएगा. Are you able to get? one more has come तो और ऐसा आएगा. So exactly what is happening. अगर एक होता तो ये खत्म होके बेंड हो जाता. बट ऐसा एक नहीं है, बहुत सारे हैं. तो इट विल लुक लाइक इट विल एग्जैक्टली बिहेव लाइक अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाई इट इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. एक कॉइल होता तो लाइक दिस होता, ऐसे अनंत कॉइल है तो दिस बिकम्स दिस. वन कॉइल इट वुड बी लाइक दिस. ड्यू टू अनंत कॉइल इट विल टर्न टू बी लाइक दिस. एंड वंस द वायर इज ओवर, देन इट विल स्टार्ट बेंडिंग. वंस द वायर इज ओवर, देन इट विल स्टार्ट बेंडिंग. मतलब till we have wires, till we have circular wires, it will be straight. Till we have circular wires, it will be straight. Once the wire is over, then do you agree? Then it will start bending like this. If it was one, ऐसा होता. बट ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं तो स्ट्रेट बेंड होने के बदले एक और आ गया. सी ना, बेंड होने के बदले एक और वायर आ गया तो और आया. सो इट विल बिकम स्ट्रेट. एंड द मोमेंट वायर इज ओवर, देन इट विल बेंड. देन इट विल बेंड लाइक दिस. आर यू एबल टू इमेजिन फ्रॉम वन वायर टू अनंत वायर, फ्रॉम वन वायर टू अनंत वायर, वन वायर it would bend. Due to anant wires, it will become straight and once the wire is over, it will start bending. Are you able to imagine this properly? This was very difficult to convince. This was very difficult for me to convince. मतलब ये समझाना, फील आना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट जॉब बाबा. करेक्ट. बच्चा बोलता है सर बट इट वॉज वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. साले जाने दे क्या बोलेगा आप. So I hope what is the solenoid looking like. Now you will feel गजब का concept. Now you will feel ये साला क्या. Now nobody should skip till the end. You be there. Don't end the class. Don't leave the class. Now I will give you feel. All this मेहनत was for why? You will ask, sir ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯೋಲೆ, ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಮರ, ಎಷ್ಟ್ ತ್ರಾಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋತೀಯೋಲೆ, ಏನೋ. All this feel I will give you now. What was the purpose and what was my intention? What was the purpose and the intention to bring solenoid? Now I will give you feel. Till here सबको गया. Till here सबको गया. Now you tell. It behaves like what? This solenoid के magnetic field lines. How are magnetic field lines in solenoid? Looks like what? Looks like dash. ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन किसके जैसा दिख रहा है? ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन किसके जैसा दिख रहा है? Come on, sir. It looks like a bar magnet. It looks like a bar magnet. Do you agree? It looks like a bar magnet. Oh हो, sir. बार मैग्नेट में भी ऐसा ही था. फील आया नहीं आया? अब बोल फील आया नहीं आया? अभी मैं फील दिया नहीं, आगे और फील दूंगा, आगे और. बट इनसाइड द मैग्नेट बराबर है सब कुछ. एग्जैक्टली इट इज बिहेविंग लाइक अ बार मैग्नेट. बट अंदर मैग्नेट नहीं है. क्या अंदर मैग्नेट है? क्या अंदर मैग्नेट है? हाँ या ना? ओके, नो, मैग्नेट अंदर नहीं है. ओके, बट इट इज बिहेविंग लाइक अ बार मैग्नेट. अंदर मैग्नेट नहीं है बट इट इज बिहेविंग. हु? द सोलिनॉइड. द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन्स इन सोलिनॉइड looks like bar magnet. Now you listen to my words carefully. Now it is field time. What was the objective to do all this? आखिर चाहता क्या था? इतना सब लाइंस किया, ये किया, वो किया, सर्कुलर किया, एक वायर लिया. सी हाउ वी वेंट. थोड़ा सा रिकैप, स्लोली रिकैप. फर्स्ट वी स्टार्टेड लाइक अ स्ट्रेट वायर. To answer the question of straight wire, we did thumbs up rule, and then we told when the current is straight, it is circular. Okay. When the coil is circular, coil मतलब current is circular, then magnetic field lines are straight. Then we studied one concentric circle. Sorry. Then we studied one circle का behavior when the current is passing. Then I took one step ahead and मैंने क्या किया? Then I took not a single, मैंने एक कॉइल, एक गोल नहीं लिया, मैंने अनंत गोल लिया. And when I analyze this अनंत गोल, मतलब अनंत turns, it looked like a bar magnet. Oh ho. Now आगे continue. See the orientation. How systematically things we are climbing. पहले एक first see again पीछे जा. First what it started? It all started with Oersted. It all started with Oersted कि when current is passing, compass deflected. Compass deflected means magnet. Means due to flow of current, magnet is taking birth. Then we studied how magnet behaves, what are magnetic field lines, what are magnetic field lines के properties, then how and what are the directions of the magnetic field lines, how and what are the directions of the magnetic field lines. Then we went one step ahead to study what is solenoid. Now we will study what is the beauty of solenoid. The beauty of solenoid, it behaves like a bar magnet. Sir, और आगे. Now discussion, we are climbing step ahead. Till here, the whole I am comprising a chapter. Okay, correct है? Till here, whatever we said is correct. Are you able correct in the sense? Are you able to imagine? Deva. Still more we have. Now you will feel the beauty. Now you will feel the beauty. Why did I do all this? Yes. Leave everything and listen. Leave everything. I will give you a fire. And that bhanda phod I will do in next class. Sir, आखिर चाहते क्या हो? Now I will do that fire. And then that bhanda phod in detail we will do in the next class. Just see what I am trying to tell now. Okay, I am rubbing the board. Such a beauty concept. We are just on the verge. We are just on the verge of understanding how a fan works. We are just on the verge of making a beginning about fan के अंदर का motor. This is the beginning point. Now you will feel this all 3 hours we spent of making a background. See, I will take a coil and I will put inside a magnet. By placing a magnet inside, or forget about placing a magnet. I will not place a magnet. I will place iron का टुकड़ा, iron piece. I will place iron piece. So simple what I am doing, I am telling slowly. I am taking iron piece. Okay, थोड़ा सा feel. Yes, I got it. This is the iron piece. This is actually a power bank. Okay, so this is the iron piece. Now I will take wire. गोल. I did गुंडालने का काम. Means I just created n number of turns. And यहाँ पे I connected a battery. Now see the beauty. The moment I connect listen. When current is supplied, that iron piece behaves like magnet, and supply stopped. Just an iron piece. It is just iron piece, like normal. Just iron piece like normal, like nothing happened. Like just normal. Oh. Sir, this is beauty. What? The iron piece becomes magnet. When current is supplied, the iron piece becomes magnet. And when supply is stopped, iron piece is just like an iron piece. This is called electromagnet. What is electro? This is called electromagnet. What is electromagnet? It is temporary magnet. मतलब गजब है तो. मतलब when you want it to become a magnet, pass current, it will become a magnet. The moment this is gone, what do you say? Current is stopped. Iron tukda again as it is a piece. The moment you give current, again it becomes a magnet. The moment you leave it, it is again an iron piece. बोल फील आया नहीं आया? This is called electromagnet. मतलब you can make someone temporary magnet and remove. Make magnet, remove its property. Are you able to imagine? Sir, but why are you doing this? Sir, but why are you doing this? What do you want? Huh? Why are you doing this? What do you want? What do you want? What do I want? Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. What do I want? When current is supplied, now you see, now Gajab, and I will end the class on this note. Listen to my words carefully. When research went on ahead, don't miss this out. The whole idea of 3 hours was for this. The whole idea of 3 hours was for this. When current is supplied, and when we get magnet, along with current and permanent magnet, let us say we have permanent magnet, okay, and we have an iron piece, we get third thing, and that is force. I repeat, you are supplying current, listen carefully, you are supplying current, okay, permanent nahi raha to bhi chalega, you are supplying current, okay, the iron piece becomes a magnet, so you got magnetic field, you got current, you got magnetic field. Yes, when you have current, when you have magnetic field, in return you get third thing, that is force. Force means motion. Motion means dhakka, push. I repeat, when you pass current, and when current passes through a iron ka tukda, when current passes through a iron ka tukda, the iron ka tukda becomes magnet. And when you have current, when you have magnetic field, something new takes birth, and that is force. And this force is nothing but fan ka rotation. This force is nothing but fan ka rotation. Oh, see, now you will feel. When button is switched on, okay, जब तू स्विच को ऑन करेगा, करंट विल पास फ्लोइंग, करंट विल पास. व्हेन करंट विल पास, मोटर के अंदर एक आयरन का टुकड़ा है. लेट अस अज्यूम मोटर के अंदर एक आयरन का टुकड़ा है. करंट, that iron piece becomes what? Magnet. When current is there, when the iron piece is a magnet, what you get in return? Force. That is push, that is motion, and that is how fan starts rotating. बोल, फील आया नहीं आया? बोल, फील आया नहीं आया?